Welcome to this tutorial on PSSession variables. In this video, you'll learn how to work with remote PowerShell sessions effectively. We'll explore how to create, manage, and reuse persistent connections to remote computers, which is essential for efficient remote administration. A PS session is a persistent connection to a remote computer. Unlike one-time remote commands, a PS session can be reused across multiple commands. It maintains state and variables between executions, meaning any data or environment you set up in one command will still be available in the next command using the same session. To create a PS session, use the New-PSSession cmdlet and store the result in a variable. Here we're creating a session to a computer named server01 and storing it in the $session variable. When you run $session, you can see the session details including the computer name and state. Once you've stored a session in a variable, you can use it with Invoke-Command. Instead of specifying a computer name, you use the session parameter and pass your session variable. Here we're running Get-PSSession on the remote computer using our stored session. This approach is much more efficient than creating a new connection each time. The real power of session variables comes from reusability. You can run multiple commands using the same session variable. In this example, we're running 3 different commands: getService, getEventLog, and getDisk, all using the same $session variable. Each command reuses the existing connection, saving authentication time and resources. Using PS session variables provides several key benefits. First, faster execution because there's no repeated authentication for each command. Second, state persistence, meaning variables and data remain available across multiple commands. Third, explicit control over the connection lifecycle, allowing you to decide exactly when to open and close connections. You can create and manage multiple sessions simultaneously by storing them in different variables. Here we're creating 3 separate sessions, one to a web server stored in $web, one to a database server in $db, and one to a file server in $file. Each variable holds an independent session that you can use whenever needed. To see all your active sessions, use the Get-PSSession cmdlet. Running it without parameters shows all sessions in the current PowerShell instance. You can also pipe the output to format table for a cleaner, more organized view of your sessions, showing details like computer name, state, and availability. It's important to close sessions when you're done to free up resources. To close a specific session, use Remove-PSSession with the session parameter and your session variable. To close all sessions at once, you can pipe Get-PSSession to Remove-PSSession. This ensures all remote connections are properly terminated. Let's recap the key points. Store sessions in variables for easy reuse across multiple commands. Manage multiple sessions independently by using different variable names for different remote computers. And always close sessions when finished to free up system resources and maintain good administrative practices. With these techniques, you'll be able to work efficiently with remote PowerShell sessions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.